So now we would be discussing the parts of the lumbar vertebra. So Dr. Manoj, what is this part?
This part is vertebral body.
Okay. What is this part?
This is transverse process.
Good. What is this part?
This is superior articular process.
Good. What is this part?
This is spinous process.
Good. What is this part?
This is lamina.
Good. Can you show me where is the pedicle?
So pedicle is in between the superior articular facet and a transverse process. So this is pedicle.
Good. And what is this in between the vertebra?
So in between the vertebra is the intervertebral disc.
What are the parts of the intervertebral disc?
Intervertebral disc has two parts, nucleus pulposus, which is inner part, and annulus fibrosus, which is outer part.